I'm actually standing right inside an amazing hotel operated by one of the major brands here in India, Treebo Hostels. All the hotels provide amazing great service, very clean. They have many type of rooms available, but all of them has air conditioning. Number 2, most of the hotel provides complimentary free breakfast. And number 3, most of them are centrally located, so it's easy walking distance to the metro, bus stations, and so on. But I'm sure all of you guys wonder how a typical room here looks like. Let's go and check it out. Now, just because you're on budget, that doesn't mean you can't be comfortable. With all the suites, waters are included, tea, coffee, as well as all essentials. One thing about this chain, they have very high standards for comfort. And this is a very comfortable mattress, I can tell you that. Second thing is, there's always international and local channels, both in English and local languages. There's no exception to cleanliness. Everything has to be spotless. And towel, shampoos, and everything are provided to you, and also hot water. And I can tell you one thing, these are fresh. Many of the hotels do not provide 24-hour hot water. They do, across the chain. We are going into a maple room, and this is a very generously sized room right here with 2 beds. This is perfect for 2 business travelers or 2 friends who want to come over. Same thing with this unit is you get a great TV with lots of great channels, tea, coffee, a bottle of water is included. I also like to emphasize the fact that Wi-Fi throughout the property is really fast, and so you can get your work done faster. As well, room service is 24 hours a day. All the rooms has a large closet space for you to put your clothing, but more than that, they offer great laundry service. And as well, you have important documents, passports or money or anything like that. They also have a key safe. Now this is another maple room, except for in this maple room, the bed is actually a king size bed, perfect for couples. And another great thing about those larger rooms, the fact that you get your own fridge. So this got to be my favorite spot in the entire hotel because you get a magnificent view out there and a complimentary breakfast to go along with it.